Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to add a link to your TikTok bio. So first you just have to simply launch your TikTok application and make sure that you're using the latest version of your TikTok application. Now you have to click your profile here or this human icon at the bottom right corner. And then as you can see here, I have added my Instagram. So if you want this one right here, and then what you're going to do is to click this edit profile to add a link to your bio. So once you tap this edit profile, you can see here bio below pronouns, but this is not the link that we're looking for. If you want to add your Instagram account, the name of your Facebook account, the name of your Instagram account, the name of your Twitter, WhatsApp, and so on, you can just simply add it here on the bio section. But if you're looking for a clickable link, where the people who visits your profile tap your Instagram, it will take them directly to your Instagram account. Then you have to go to social. You will see your Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, and all you have to do is to tap each and then connect your Instagram account. For example, this one, connect your Instagram account, connect your YouTube account, connect your Twitter account. So when someone visits your profile and then click your bio, then it will take them directly to your Instagram profile, YouTube, and Twitter. So that's how you add a bio here on your TikTok account. You have to go to social and then add your social media account there. As easy as that. So if you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe to our channel. And if you want to suggest any topic, please do comment down below. And see you again in our next video tutorials.